Good evening friends, hope you all are fine. Today I am going to explain you about the WMT. Actually WMT means World Money Trade, and now I am going to tell you that how the World Money Trade works. Okay, it is a very simple process. Actually it works in India as a networking company, but it is a UK based company and provides the knowledge of cryptocurrency, stock trading and forex trading. But to earn something in COVID-19, people are suffering from financial problem. Then also only WMT, World Money Trade, is providing you a huge amount of money to earn. Let's start. Today I am going to explain about a simple and easy plan. It's not very tough. Only motivation, 2-3 hours is needed for this work. So let's start. Only you have to invest 1770 rupees. By investing 1770 rupees, you can earn your dream, your money, dream house, dream tour, everything you can earn. Only you have to work. Only you have to work and listen to my words clearly. By investing 1770 rupees, you will be join and you will activate your ID, but it is mandatory to join 4 people in your downline. You can join with zero processing fees also, but if you will activate with 1770 rupees and with 4 members, you will earn the money in 2 parts, working and non-working. In working you will get 500 rupees for each member, and in non-working it is automatically gone to the your wallet, but you will not able to withdraw, because by activating 4 peoples you can withdraw the money from non-working account also. It is in it silver auto pool is present. In this only 1000 rupees you have to top up to the company, and rupees 50 each per day will be given to the per member, and automatically in non-working amount you are already earning. So think, you will join and 4 people will join. It works on 4x4 matrix, and here comes the gold auto pool. Gold auto pool, it is mandatory to give 1770 rupees to the company, and you will earn 75 rupees per each member, and you will earn the money up to 25 crore. Think, 25 crore is the big amount. In lockdown people are not even to earn 500 rupees per day, but this company provides 25 crore rupees. Think how much great money. And let's talk with the premium auto pool. Actually premium auto pool is about to launch, because it is in process, and you will get 300 rupees per each day for 100 days, and be part of that also. You will get company partnership and 6 trade per day, and as well as you will receive the reward and award points. And it is in this company provides the nominee facilities as well. Means think you something happens to you, so all the money will be credited to the nominee's account, and you will receive the reward. In reward is like this: you will earn, if the person activate with 10,000 rupees ID, he will earn 1 day 1 night national tour, as well as in 50,000 2 days 1 night national tour, in 1 lakh 2 days 2 night national tour, and in 5 lakhs he can earn up to international tour, but only 3 days and 3 nights. So think what the company is providing, what to do. Only the motive of the company is to work and teamwork is mandatory, nothing else. And investing is also a very low, only 1770 rupees. People invest many rupees in many companies, but this company, and you can withdraw the money with the transparency. Every hour, every day, every year, every month you can earn. Only you have to work, and there is as English proverbs is there is a will, there is a way. So please start working and please start working and earn money by smart working. Don't do labor working, but do smart working. अब देखिए इसमें क्या है.